Kia ora, and welcome to the world of Tangaroa. Now, Tangaroa, commonly known as the god of the ocean and all things that live in it. Now, today we're going to demonstrate some Māori movements that allows you to embody the spirit of the ocean. We've got 3 levels for you, and the first level that we're going to demonstrate to you today is called Ti Pata Pata. Now, Ti Pata Pata, for example, is just like so. As if you were moving through the sand into the ocean and coming back to neutral. Now, to break down the Ti Pata Pata, we're first of all going to start off by warming up our calf muscles to allow the body to get ready for the progressive movement of Ti Pata Pata. First stage, static movement. Second, dynamic. And the third, Ti Pata Pata in progression. Kia ora te tātou, rua te kau. Tukua, hei. And just as you are breathing in, breathing out, and making sure we clear and coming back into neutral. Now, the second structure in our dynamic movement warm-up is just on the spot, on the balls of your feet, moving them nice and swift. Kia rite, tukua, hei, tai, rua, toru, wha, rima, ono, whitu, waru, iwa, te kau, kau te. Just as you are breathing, staying on the balls of your feet, keeping your balance, and release, coming back to neutral. And the last one, our progressional movement, where we're going to swift from side to side, using the Ti Pata Pata from the dynamic movement. Ti Pata Pata progression. Kia rite, tukua, hei, rua, toru, wha, kau te. And again, begin to breathe, staying on the balls of your feet. Nice and light. And whakawātau, whakanua. That is our progressional movement for Ti Pata Pata level 1. Nō reira, we're going to move into our next segment. So into this position here, where we're going to utilize the movement we've just learned on Ti Pata Pata and fuse that with the music. For 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. We're going to rotate this 2 times. So it's a 2-minute quick little work set for you to embody and learn and process the art form of Ti Pata Pata. Woo! Kiri te tātou? Ha ki roto. Breathing in, ha ki waho. Breathing out. Postural position. Hands over the top for wahine, fist in. Same neutral position. Good. Let's get onto the balls of our feet. I'm going to count out 30 seconds. Tai, rua, toru, wha, hei, tai, rua. It's all in the breathing. Just keep to the breathing. Swaying down. As you get more and more familiar with the movement, begins to dip in and out, as if you're moving down to the sand, moving in and out of the water, swaying from side to side. And 3, 2, 1, clear. And back into neutral position. As you begin to catch your breath right now, you should be starting to feel a little bit huffy-puffy like we are. Now, the ultimate challenge for you is to shake out all the lactate acid that you've just built up into your calves. Oh, this is an aerodynamic movement where you need your fast twitch fibers to pitter-patter on top of hard surface. Oh, imagine this on sand. Ka tika tātou. Kia rite. Last one, 3, 2, tai, rua, toru, wha, hei. Kia kaha. Start to embody the wairua or the spirit of the ocean. Keep up with your timing. If you get tired, kei te pā, you can stop and start again. Tai, rua, toru, wha, wātea. And at ease. Breathing in, breathing out. Ka pai. 30 seconds rest while you get your breath. We're going to move into the challenge. Now the challenge of Tangaroa, it's about getting down into the ground. So I'm going to quickly demonstrate the art form of our next exercise called Panapoho. So this is a wave dive type of movement, all upper body strength. So for us to introduce that, what we're going to do is get up into a push-up position. Shoulders over the top of the wrist into a plank position. Now this is not a normal push-up. You're going to go into what we call a down dog, warairarokure, pushing back, coming back into the plank, push down and up. I'll demonstrate that one more time. And sit down and up. For our wahinema, or anybody that wants to scale down, if you can't do a full plank, press down, drop to the knees, push, up, and back into our kairarokuri. Now the challenge is 30 seconds. We have 30 seconds to get as many repetitions as you possibly can get. For our tānema, we should be aiming for anything in between 10 to 15. For our wahinema, anything between 7 and 15, depending on how strong you are in your upper body. Nō reira, whakarongo mai ana ki te whakatangitangi o te pūro nei. Listen up for the soundtrack. I'll count you in your first 30 seconds and just go for it. Kia ora te tātou. Taking positions. Cue. All right. Now this is about executing with excellence, making sure that you can get the best out of the exercise. Let's go into our position. Close grip. Shoulders over the top of the wrist. Let's go into our plank position. Good. For scaling, if you can't do the push-up, just meet me here. Come back, meet me here, just for scaling. Boy, if you can do a full panapoho all the way down. Kia rite, tai, rua, toru, tukua, hei! Kia kaha tātou. Mauana te wairua o Tangaroa. Act as if you're surging through those waves. You're trying to get out to the back. You've got wave after wave. Swell after swell. You've got last 10 seconds. Kia kaha. 3, 2, 1. Whakanga, whakawatea, tukua. And back into our neutral position. Haki roto, breathing in. Haki waho. Haki roto. Haki waho. Level 1 Māori movement of ti pata pata and panapoho. Tangaroa, whakamauta.